Welcome everybody to the channel. This is Andre J. McClendon. Welcome to the show. So everybody, this is going to be a cryptocurrency review about what the markets are doing. And also for new subscribers, please, new subscribers and new viewers, if this is your first time seeing this or seeing me personally, this is a business investing channel and has a lot of money education. So like, subscribe, and let's jump on into it now. Okay. So we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily, and daily right now it's at the $9,270 level. So my overall prediction, since I've been making videos on Bitcoin, is especially in this whole cupping area, since there's a massive accumulation of buying points all the way through, and now we're taking the massive movements for people to take their gains. And for me, I think that Bitcoin, especially at this level, is not finished yet before it takes a major retracement. I think it has to hit this $10,000 level, very, very close to it, before making any major moves down or up. And building up some consolidation, then building up some resistance levels just to head up higher, to make some higher highs. So overall, Bitcoin has been moving massive up. So the trend is your friend, and in trading, you don't fight the trend, just go with it. So that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not my favorite thing to trade. I prefer Litecoin. Litecoin is my favorite thing to trade when it comes to cryptocurrency. I do trade it on GDAX, and this is investing.com. So let's check out the rest. So Litecoin's been down for the last 3 days, so it's not that much when it comes to the percentage of the move overall. But when I think, since I'm looking at Litecoin might head down and at the support level, the 129, or break to the 118 level, build up some consolidation to head up higher. And overall, I think the major point is 150. Kind of like Bitcoin at 10,000, Litecoin at 150. And just because when you look at Litecoin, it consolidates, breaks out, consolidates, breaks out. And I think it needs to consolidate a little bit lower and break out higher to beat this high, and then to get back to a $150 level. Kind of like this. You see this level right here, it went from the 60s to the 90s level, broke down, consolidated, broke down some more, built up some buying points, and then massive movements up, beat its original high, and kept on doing the same. So I think something like that's going to repeat itself, but I will be doing intermediate buying at certain levels, and have some limit orders for it too. Litecoin is one of my favorite things to trade, so if you guys want to trade with me, go to andrejmcclendon.com and find out some more, or just drop a comment below. So let's jump to XRP. So XRP is something I have not traded very often, but I'm just new to it. I have been in it for a little bit cheaper than this price, but not so much. I've been just doing set buying. So when we look at it right now, I drew this blocks to show you guys that this area is where a lot of the shadows or the wicks have been punching through and respecting this area. So every time it hits this price range, it's getting smacked down to support area, building up, smack down, support area. And looks like it's trying to get enough orders from heavier players just to break through this level. So it might do some consolidation, break down a little bit lower, and punch through, similar to like Litecoin, what Bitcoin's doing. All right, so that's what I got for cryptocurrency, guys. If you guys want to trade or talk about money, drop a comment below. And I thank you guys for the subscribers, and you guys have been watching me for so far. And if you guys want to find out some more videos, obviously look at the channel, look at updates. But my new set of videos I'm making is a technology review. So I'm going over future technology, and some technologies coming out today, and how I'm looking at it and investing into it. I love looking at new companies, new tech companies, new innovations, and just jumping on it early, so it's huge swings up. But that's it, guys. Thank you for everything, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you.